So we're back with another video. We've done a lot to this truck. It's back in the spot that it originally all started in, and you can just tell how much this thing has changed over a little period of time. It's just truly amazing what I've accomplished with this truck. I mean, I've never done anything like this before. This is my first rebuild. I plan to do another one in the next video, and the video after that, and on and on and on. So I'm gonna make a list of what we need to do, and then I'm gonna make a list at the end of the video about how much everything costs and how much profit I made. And we're finally saying goodbye to the Excursion. I mean, this is the truck that started it all. This is the start of my journey and the YouTube. So just really grateful for everything and everybody that's helped me. So it's been truly amazing. We're gonna get these last finishing touches down, and then we're gonna have to say goodbye to the Excursion. So we have to paint the bottom of the truck, all the wheel wells and everything like that. And then we need the passenger rear door panel. And then we need a door panel in the back for the barn door. And it really just needs one more wash because this thing gets dirty really, really quick. So we're also gonna tape back the side panel that is hanging off. So I got some outdoor double-sided sticky tape. So we're gonna tape that back on, and yeah, without further ado, this is the last video of the Excursion. Let's get into it. So I got the tripod set up, and this is how it's looking under the truck. I'm gonna try and get as much as we can. I already did this part a little bit, and then I did the front a good bit. So like, that's looking good. Not fully, but we're gonna keep going. We got a lot of under the truck spray painted. It is a bit dirty, but even at the front, got a lot. So definitely looking a lot better. Looking shiny, we washed it, but this thing does get dirty really fast. You see all that dirt, so. Ooh, I'm cold. I also have a paint marker that doing another clean with Brennan Stanley. Boom, so we got a new package. It's like 10 in the morning, but the Excursion is too filled to open up the packages in there. So we're gonna open it up out here, see what we got. We got a whole bunch of peanuts. Let's go. Holy moly. That's a door panel, boys. Not too bad. Has a little dirt right there. Little thing right there. gonna get right to work on trying to get this off and get the new one on. There we go. We undid the plug. I got that out. I'm gonna take this from that. Plug in the connector. So this door won't lock or unlock. So I guess that won't lock, but double-sided tape for that. I don't know if you can see that, but so I'm gonna use a razor to get off the old tape and put on a new one. So I got this cool thing in my job with a razor on it. What the hell? One piece gone. So we got the tape off. Now we just need to clean up the area and put the tape on. Let's go. So we're gonna clean up the surface all in there with this wired brush. Get all the rust and excess glue off. And then we're gonna go in with some 409 cleaner. Clean it all up. And we're gonna get the glue in there. Not the glue, the tape, sorry. So boom! We did get the tape in there. And it is staying, so that's perfect. We got a little bit right there and a little bit right there also. So, that's staying on.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
Bruh. So, we got a new package. We're gonna open it. It's gonna be the barn door. Because whenever I got this truck, it didn't come with this side, so.
Bye, have a great time.
Bruh. It is really windy outside, so that's why the camera fell. And it's also super cold. It's like 20 degrees out here, so. No! Third time's a charm. Gonna be that. Should be a really easy install. Cause so tripod keeps falling. So let me show you all the results. So you got this one right here. It has all those little things on it. And clip right into place. This one just. So yeah, it's looking a lot better with both of them there. So. It's a little dirty, but I can clean it, so yeah. So the truck is pretty dirty, but we are gonna get into the pricing of everything and how much everything costs. So first, we're gonna start off with the truck. The truck was $5 grand. This hood was $600. These tires were $2,000. These taillights, $90. This back glass, $250. These brakes, $80. These mirrors, $180. This back barn door panel, $150. This door panel, $180. This seat cover, that seat cover, and the armrest sits $100. These cup holders, $25. This seat, $457. This one, this one, this one, this one, and the front one for the interior lights, $30. These headlights with the bright bulbs and the running lights, $200. This battery, $100. Okay, so what we have left is the paint and the cleaning supplies and the tape, and all that together was surprisingly $150. So we got the paint on the bottom, we got the paint on up here, we got the paint on the wheels. It's all looking good. So once again, just want to thank everybody for helping me complete this build, and can't wait for the next one. So let's get to selling this thing. So it's definitely been a long time since the last clip, but it's because I was waiting until it's sold so I could post this video that you're watching right now. But it hasn't sold, so now that we went over the last finishing touches and we got the prices for everything, I can wait until it sells, and then I will put that in the next video. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, it means a lot. And this thing is almost gone, almost. And then I'm really excited to get my new project car. Comment down below what you think it should be, and if you know anybody that wants an Excursion, show them this video on Facebook Marketplace, or comment and I'll reply. So thanks for watching. Levi the Car Guy.